I don't normally do this. I guess you could call it a public service announcement because I've gotten recently two requests about a found money type program. And is it a scam? Are they trying to hustle this person? What's the deal? And I'm going to address it here today with a big cautionary note. If you get something like that in the mail where people say, we found $2,500 or $1,300 or whatever, we found this money, we'll help you recover it. You get something like that in the mail, let me tell you about it. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. So here's the thing. There are unclaimed funds out there, and I believe every state in the U.S. has an Unclaimed Funds Office somewhere. It can be hidden in Commerce, it could be hidden in Secretary of State's office, but somewhere it's there. And a lot of them, I know from firsthand experience, are searchable online. So here's what happens: companies or individuals find people who are owed money, and they try for larger sums of money, and they track down and find this person. So it's kind of a skip tracing thing. They skip trace this person. They send a letter that says, hey, we found this money that you're owed. It's unclaimed funds. We'd like to help you recover it. All right. Very handy, very, very helpful. That's super nice. They don't tell the person where the funds are or anything like that because it's so easy to go get them yourselves. You just contact the Unclaimed Funds Office, Secretary of State's office, and you do whatever they require, show driver's license, whatever it might be. Well, this company is offering to act as an intermediary, saying, we know this where the secret place your money is, and we found you, so we're going to put you together with your money, and we want a taste of it. We want a piece of it. The two problems I have with this, I don't have a problem with the concept. It's a legitimate service. Anybody who's done skip tracing knows, they may look at 100 unclaimed fund accounts and put the time, energy, money into trying to find the people that belong to them, and may have a relatively small success rate depending on their skip tracing and how much they want to invest in it. But say they've still got to compensate themselves for the failed skip trace on the majority of people. So I get it. Here's my two problems with it. This company in particular, they sent out a letter. Where is it? There it is. I don't know this company. Probably legit. Doesn't matter. I don't care. I got no skin in the game on this. I'm just going to tell you the things that I am concerned about, not just with this company, but with all of them, because they all do this. Number one, and I've spoken about this before, but they are going to ask for a piece of the money. So pay us a fee equal to 15% of the amount actually recovered. And they're very quick to say, I understand that if no funds are recovered, there is no fee payable to this company. Because this is a contract you're signing. They're asking you to sign this contract to agree to the 15%. That's what they're asking for. Okay. Maybe that's a fair amount. Maybe it's not. I don't know. I mean, it legitimately seems like a fair amount to me. However, in my state, that's more than allowed by law. In my state, and again, the last time I looked, 10% was the maximum that they could collect. So that's kind of a problem for me. Be careful you're not getting scammed that way. Much, much bigger problem, much, much bigger issue is this. Matter of fact, it's the last line in the contract. It says, I will not authorize any other firm to represent me in this matter. I will not authorize, where is everything? I will not authorize any other firm to represent me in this matter. There you run into problems. Because once you sign this and return it to them, they got you. Whatever hoops they want you to jump through, whatever they say you need to do, you got to do. And you can't go to someone else. You can't, you suppose you could hire a lawyer. If you're talking about money and that out of your pocket, but they've got you. You've agreed you're not going to use any other service. That seems to me to be very questionable. I mean, the guy that cuts my lawn, He doesn't have that line in his contract with me that I'm not going to go to any other lawn care service provider. The place I pump my gas, they don't have it, and it's not printed out on the little receipt that I signed that says you won't go anyplace else to get your gasoline. Even the supermarkets with their, oh my gosh, super invasive clubs that you join where they scan everything you buy, they keep track of, and your home address and shopping habits and times. Even as invasive and obnoxious as those little clubs are, they still let me go shop at other stores. So take this piece of judgment. Jim Rohn had this great idea, and I love it, and I would say it to you. People would ask him, do you read a book on nutrition and follow it? He says, no. You read two books on nutrition and you make a decision. Don't be a follower, be a student. Learn about this stuff. So take the information I've shared with you here today and use it with the other information and things that you learn. Maybe talk to a professional in your area about this type of thing. And, contact the state Unclaimed Fund Office if you get a letter like that and see what's up. See if they can help you for free. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.